Hey everybody, this is Bill. It's Saturday night, and I thought I'd do something completely different. Normally on the weekly updates, I was going through a whole bunch of different markets and giving my comments on them, and I think I'm going to distill this down to two things. One, the general S&P 500 market, the U.S. market, and two, going back earlier in the week and taking a look at which tidal wave trades did what and how they panned out. So let's start with the overall U.S. market. What we're looking at here is the daily chart of the ES futures contract, and as you can see, I've applied three analysis techniques to this. The first is the standard Keltner channel, which I like to use a lot, and if you look at that, the pricing for the ES or the S&P 500 has dropped down into the lower Keltner channel, which is right here, which makes it bearish. Okay. The second technique I've added to it was the Fibonacci retracement from the 0 point. Typically, when you hit a high, you can usually retrace back to the 23%. And potentially even the 50% line, which is way down here at 1200. So that's also 2 points we want to kind of pay attention to in the next near future. And thirdly, I added the Darvas box technique to this analysis, and that also is indicating a bearish, as you can see by the red arrow here, a bearish down move for the ES. So let's see if those are all correct in the coming week or so. So my prediction, looking at my Ouija board and my crystal ball, is that the ES will continue to go down. The US market will continue to go down. We may get a slight bounce at 1350-ish, and then depending on where that rebounds to, I would expect maybe even a further plunge down into the low 1300s, possibly settling here at 1280-ish. So let's see if that works out or not. Now let's take a quick look at what happened with the tidal wave picks. Our primo pick of the week was YPF. This was the short pick for Monday. It pierced the low of the previous Friday's bar, so it was a good signal, a good trade, a good to go trade. We got a huge move on Monday, followed by another decent move on Tuesday, then another one on Wednesday, and then also on Thursday. And as you know, Friday the market was closed, so we bailed right here at about 2270-ish. So a almost, what is that, 26 down to 2270-ish. So, you know, almost 3 points on a stock. That's not bad. Would have made a nice profit on that short. So that's, there was our signal right there, and that was a very nice move on the tidal wave signal. That's it for the weekend update, and I think I'll keep them short and sweet like this from now on, because I think the subscribers will like that. Alright, good luck, and I will be back at you on Monday night to give you your picks for Tuesday. Bye.